Hola, 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 Sharp Wizard Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of your favorite channel known as Everything SAT Ski News. On this one today, we got you Kaiser Chiefs coach Nabi, Chiefs and Nabi part ways in agreement terms. We all know Guti Amakosi lost yesterday against Kukune United in a defeat of a 3-1 loss. Kaiser Chiefs have reached a mutual agreement to part ways with head coach Nasruddin Nabi, the Tunisian who ended the club's decade-long trophy drought, will not be on the bench this weekend in their CAF Confederation Cup first round preliminary qualifier against Ribola side. Nabi, who is in his second season at the club, is believed to have parted ways with the clubs following the recent accident involving his wife in Tunisia, which saw him given compensation leave, which saw him miss the first 3 games of the campaign. Nabi is now expected to return to his homeland after the recent incident with his wife, following a challenging personal period beyond the football field. So please let me know ukuthi nina bafethu nicabangani ngale indaba down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac Why So Nice Umtarwin Chumba. Hawe man.
Nice game against the Buccaneers. Billy Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is